Hello friends, today's topic of discussion is legal right that every Indian citizen should know. This is the second part of legal right. But before moving to the topic, reminds you please don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. So let's start. First right is obscene activity. According to the section 294 of Indian Penal Code 1860, it clearly stated that if you are found involved in obscene activity at public place, then you can be imprisoned for 3 months. If cylinder explode, then you are entitled to cover 14 lakhs. Means all the registered customer of LPG of any company, for example we can take Indian Gas, Bharat Gas, are entitled to cover 14 lakhs in case of loss of life and damage of property due to cylinder explode. Maximum retail price. According to the maximum retail price 2014, it clearly says that shopkeeper cannot charge higher prices of good than the printed price. If consumer wants to reduce the price, then he or she have right to bargain for lower price. If you are living in Delhi, then your landlord doesn't have right to vacate your house without giving prior notice. This is written in Delhi Rent Control Act 1958 in section 14. Equal pay to man and woman. As per Article 39D of Indian Constitution grants equal pay to man and woman at her workplace. There should be no discrimination on the basis of gender. Free legal aid. Under the Legal Service Authority Act 1987, a free legal aid service will be provided to all Indian citizens, those who can't afford the fees of lawyer. While driving, if your blood contains more than 30 mg alcohol, then police can arrest without a warrant. So be aware of this while driving. You can ask for water and washroom in any hotel. According to Indian Sarais Act 1887, hotel can't prohibit you from drinking water and using washroom.